Wow, this hairstyle came out looking so good. It looks like it's someone else that did it on my head. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'll be doing this hairstyle. If you like it, if you want to see how I achieve this, then continue watching. We're going to start by parting our hair from ear to ear. That is just making sure that we separate it from the front section and the back section, like what you're seeing right now. After separating that, I'm going to separate it in the middle. I'm going to do a middle part. And just make sure that it's really straight. I'll be using shine and jam gel just to get the lines to be neat. And also, this is the gel I'll be using all through this tutorial. Then I'll be using also the got to be spray to hold it down. Then just make sure that the lines are neat. Then I'll go ahead also and separate one section into two. Like the front part of the hair, I'm going to be separating it in 4 small sections. So what I'm doing now is just braiding it down to keep it away while I walk with the back. So this is my first section, and the lines are looking somewhat neat and straight. Now I'll start working at the back. What I'll do is just use the shine and jam gel to try to get the ponytail, like slick the hair back. Then using my comb to comb that, making sure that there are no bumps in the hair. After doing that, I'll go in with a rubber band, then use it to tie it. Then I'll use the got to be glue spray to spray it, just to get it as sleek as possible. I'm just using the got to be glue spray to spray it. Then with my hands, I'm going to just use that to slick it down. Then after that, I'm going to use a hand dryer on low heat to blow that, like to dry it down. Then after that, I'm going to leave the back, then start working on the front section. The front, we already have our parts sections into 4. So each section, I'm going to braid that down. So what I'm doing now is just applying some shine and jam gel just to get it easy to work with. I'll apply it in the middles, then try to slick them together. Then after that, what I'll do is make smaller sections like you're doing the stitch braid. You know, when with this style, when you're doing the stitch braid on yourself, if you use this method, it will be very easy for you to get the stitch braid without necessarily using your fingers to part the hair. So you want to just slick that down, then go in with the tail of the comb and start making your small pieces, taking small pieces at a time, making sure the lines are neat, like exactly what I'm doing right now. You want to just follow that. When you finish sectioning that, making that small section, you will see that you have your stitch lines already. Then you want to just take your braiding hair. If you're going to be using a braiding hair, you want to take your braiding hair and start braiding it down. But if you're not going to be using a braiding hair for it, then you want to just go ahead, separate the front part into 3, then braid it. down, and that makes it so easy to achieve this the stitch braid look. You can see how you already have your stitch lines. So what you do is just start with the first section at the front, braid it down maybe once or twice, add your braiding hair. Then as you're going to the back, you just grab one of the small section, add it to it, braid it down, add your braiding hair, grab the section, add it to it, braid it down, grab your braiding hair, just as I'm doing. And you see that at the end of it, you have a perfect stitch braid. So I'll just continue doing it like that until I'm done with the first section. And this is exactly what I'm going to be doing on the four sections that I made at the front. On the rest sections, I'm just going to fast forward the video so we don't get it too long. So it's just the same thing I did on the first one. I'm just repeating the process. That's why I'm fast forwarding it. After I finish braiding the second one, I'm going to join it with the first one so they have only one end, because I don't want four ends, I want just two. So I'm going to link the first one and the second one like what I'm doing right now, then just braid it. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. After I'm done with the front, I'm going to grab my hair extension to add it on the ponytail. So what I'm doing right now is hold one side of the braiding hair and attach it to the ponytail While the other side, I'm going to just pull that back so it covers the rubber band. But before doing that, I'm going to leave a piece of hair that I will use to wrap it around so you can't see the rubber band. So what I'm doing now is I'll separate my hair into three section, then separate the braiding hair too into three section, just making sure that each section is equal to the other one. After I do that, then I'm going to hold the three and braid it down. After braiding that down to the end, the little piece I left out, I'm going to use it to wrap it around the braid. Then use some got to be glue, spray it just to hold it down. And also I'm going to be using a little black rubber band to apply that there, just to get it secure so it doesn't unravel. So after doing that, I'll take the braiding part and wrap it around the ponytail in a, like, take the one on the left, pull it to the right and wrap it around the ponytail. Then just use a crochet hook just to get that secure. Then take the other one and wrap it just to get it like a crisscross design at the, when you look at it at the back, like exactly what I'm doing right now. And that will be just it about this tutorial. Please, if you like this video, give me a huge thumbs up. Also help to share this video to your friends and family. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that red subscribe button down there and turn on your notification bell. So anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Please bear with me. I'm sorry if this is too long or if my voiceover was not that good. I'm just still learning how to do my own voiceover. So just bear with me for that. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Also leave me a comment and let me know what you think about this hairstyle if you're going to be trying it. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.